Have you ever felt stuck while speaking English? Like the words are in your mind, but they just don't come out? What if I told you? You don't need thousands of words to speak English confidently. You just need the right sentences. In today's video, I'll teach you 100 daily use English sentences that you can start using immediately in real life. So stay with me till the end, because by the end of this video, you will feel more confident speaking English than ever before. Let's begin. Part 1. Basic daily sentences. 1 to 20. How are you? I am fine. Where are you doing? I am working. Where are you going? I'm going home. What is your name? My name is. Nice to meet you. See you later. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. Take care. Have a nice day. What's going on? Nothing much. I understand. I don't understand. Tip. Practice these sentences every day in front of a mirror. Part 2. Conversation sentences. 21 to 40. Can you help me? Please wait a moment. I'll call you later. Let's talk later. What do you mean? That sounds good. That's a great idea. I agree with you. I don't agree. It depends. I think so. I'm not sure. Maybe later, of course. No problem. Don't worry. It's okay. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Thank you so much. These sentences make your conversation smooth and natural. Part 3. Daily life. Sentences. 41 to 60. I'm getting ready. I'm going out. I'll be back soon. I'm feeling tired. I'm hungry. Let's eat. I'm busy right now. Call me when you're free. I woke up late today. I missed the bus. I'm on my way. I reached home. I'll do it later. I forgot. I remember now. What time is it? It's too late. Hurry up. Slow down. Be careful. These are perfect for everyday situations. Part 4. Useful expressions. 61 to 80. That's interesting. Really? Are you serious? I can't believe it. That's amazing. That's funny. What happened? Tell me more. Go ahead. Wait a second. Just a minute. No way. Absolutely. I'm excited. I'm nervous. I feel happy. I feel sad. I'm confused. I'm ready. Let's go. These sentences help you express emotions clearly. Part 5. Smart and confident sentences. 81 to 100. I'll handle it. Leave it to me. I can do this. I believe in myself. I'll try my best. That's not a problem. I'll figure it out. Let me check. I'll get back to you. Sounds perfect. That works for me. I'm okay with that. Let's make a plan. What's the plan? I'm ready to start. Let's begin. Keep going. Don't give up. You can do it. Practice makes perfect. Outrow, motivation, plus call to action. Now imagine, if you use just these 100 sentences every day, your English will start improving automatically. You don't need to memorize everything at once. Just pick 10 sentences. Use them daily. Part 6. Questions you use every day. 101 to 120. What are you doing now? Where do you live? What do you do? Are you busy? Can I ask you something? What's your plan today? When will you come? Why are you late? Who is that person? How was your day? What happened yesterday? Do you understand me? Can you repeat that? How much is this? Is this yours? What do you want? Are you ready? Did you finish it? Where should we go? What do you think? These questions help you start and continue conversations easily. Part 7. Answering naturally. 121 to 140. Yes, I do. No, I don't. I think it's good. It was great. Not really. I'm not sure about that. Let me think. I'll tell you later. I don't know yet. That's true. I don't think so. Maybe yes, maybe no. It's possible. I'll try. I already did it. I'm still working on it. I just finished it. I haven't started yet. I'm almost done. Give me some time. These sentences make your replies sound natural and confident. Part 8. At-home sentences. 141 to 160. I'm cleaning my room. The food is ready. Come and eat. I'm watching TV. Turn off the light, open the door, close the window, bring me some water. Where is my phone? I can't find it. It's on the table. I'm going to sleep. Wake me up early. I'm doing my homework. Help me with this. Don't make noise. Keep it clean. I'll do it tomorrow. I'm feeling sleepy. Let's relax. Part 9. At work/study. 161 to 180. I'm working on a project. I have a meeting. Let's discuss this. I need more time. I'll finish it today. Please send me the file. Check your email. I'll join in a minute. I'm learning something new. This is important. Pay attention. Take notes. I have a question. Can you explain this? I understand now. Let's take a break. I'll do it carefully. This is easy. This is difficult. I need help. Part 10. Fluency Boost Sentences. 181 to 200. Let me think about it. Give me a second. That's a good question. I never thought about that. It makes sense. I get your point. You're right. I totally agree. That's not fair. It doesn't matter. Things will get better. Stay positive. Keep learning. Never stop trying. You're improving. Believe in yourself. You're doing great. Don't lose hope. Keep practicing daily. You will succeed. Final outro. Stronger ending. Now you have learned 200 powerful daily English sentences. Just imagine, if you practice these sentences every single day, your English will not just improve, it will transform. Start small. Speak daily. Repeat often. And remember, fluency doesn't come from thinking. It comes from speaking. So open your mouth. Part 11. Real life conversation practice. 200 dan or 1 to 220. Situation, talking with a friend. Hey, how are you doing? I'm doing great. What about you? I'm good too. What are you doing these days? I'm learning English. That's nice. Keep it up. Thank you. I'm trying my best. Do you practice every day? Yes, I do. That's the key to success. Continue. Conversation. What do you do in your free time? I watch videos and practice speaking. That's a smart way to learn. Do you watch English movies? Yes, sometimes. That really helps. I agree with you. Let's practice together sometime. Sure, that sounds great. See you soon. Practice this dialogue with a partner or even alone. Part 12. Speaking without fear. 221 to 240. I'm not afraid to speak. Mistakes help me learn. I will speak more. I don't need perfect English. I just need to communicate. I am improving every day. I believe in my progress. I will not give up. I enjoy learning English. I feel more confident now. I can speak better than before. I am proud of myself. I will keep practicing. I'm getting better. I am learning step by step. I can do this. I will succeed. I'm ready to speak. I will try again. I'm not afraid anymore. Say these sentences aloud. They build your confidence. Part 13. Think in English practice. 241 to 260. Start thinking in English using simple sentences. I am waking up. I am brushing my teeth. I am drinking water. I'm getting ready. I'm leaving home. I'm walking on the road. I'm going to work. I'm talking to my friend. I'm eating lunch. I'm feeling happy. I'm learning something new. I'm checking my phone. I'm watching a video. I'm listening carefully. I'm understanding this. I'm trying again. I'm improving daily. I'm going back home. I'm relaxing now. I'm going to sleep. This is the secret to thinking in English naturally. Part 14. Mini daily practice routine. 261 to 280. Repeat 10 sentences daily. Speak in front of a mirror. Record your voice. Listen to yourself. Improve your mistakes. Learn new sentences daily. Use them in real life. Don't be shy. Speak with confidence. Practice with friends. Watch English videos. Listen to English daily. Read simple sentences. Write what you learn. Think in English. Stay consistent. Practice every day. Don't skip practice. Enjoy the process. Keep going forward. Part 15. Powerful closing sentences. 281 to 300. Your journey starts today. Take the first step. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start speaking now. You are stronger than your fear. Confidence comes with practice. Every small step matters. Progress takes time. Stay focused on your goal. Believe in your dream. You are not alone. Many people are learning like you. Keep moving forward. Never stop learning. Your effort will pay off. Success is coming. You are improving every day. Keep your mindset strong. Speak without fear. You are becoming fluent. Ultimate outro. Very engaging ending. Now think about this. From just a few sentences, you've now learned 300 powerful English sentences. This is not just a lesson. This is your transformation. If you practice even 20 sentences a day, within a few weeks, you will start speaking English naturally. No fear, no hesitation. Just confidence. So don't stop here. Go back. Repeat. Practice. And speak. Part 16. Quick Revision Challenge. 300. 1 to 320. Now let's do a quick challenge. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I am learning fast. I'm confident now. I will not stop. I enjoy speaking English. I practice every day. I am getting better. I believe in myself. I will succeed soon. I am ready to speak. Now faster, I can do it. I won't give up. I am strong. I'm improving. I am learning daily. I am focused. I am consistent. I'm confident. I am ready. Let's go. Part 17. Shadowing Practice. 321 to 340. Now listen and repeat exactly like me. I am learning English every day. I speak English with confidence. I'm not afraid of mistakes. I try again and again. Practice makes me better. I enjoy this journey. I speak slowly and clearly. I understand more now. I am improving step by step. I will become fluent soon. Speak with rhythm and emotion. I believe in my progress. I trust the process. I am becoming better every day. I will not stop learning. I am building my confidence. I am growing every day. I am learning naturally. I am speaking freely. I am proud of myself. I am fluent in English. Part 18. Final Speaking Practice. 341 to 360. Now speak these like real-life sentences. Today, I learned many sentences. I will use them in real life. I will speak without fear. I will practice every day. I will not translate. I will think in English. I will improve my fluency. I will speak clearly. I will stay confident. I will keep learning. Final push. This is my new beginning. I am changing my life. I am improving my future. I am becoming successful. I am building my skills. I am creating my confidence. I'm learning with passion. I'm moving forward. I'm ready for success. This is my journey. Final outro. High impact ending for YouTube. Now pause for a moment. Look at how far you've come in just one video. From simple sentences to confident speaking. You didn't just learn English. You started thinking in English. And that is the real success.